Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. It is a beautiful Friday morning, September the 8th. I went outside on the deck this morning, but the sun's so bright out there, just couldn't get any good video pictures there. So had to come back inside, but boy, what a gorgeous morning. Going to be a great day and a great weekend. A trade overnight in the grains, mostly higher. I think we're going to be a little firmer here. We had a very strong weekly export sales report, about 58 million bushels of corn sold, 56 of soybeans, 13.9 for wheat. The wheat number is routine, but that's a very strong corn and soybean number. Next week's should be another very strong to outstanding number. We've had a very strong week of private export sale announcements this week, even though we only had one less trading day because of the holiday on Monday. There were private export sale announcements this morning. Another 264,000 metric tons soybean sale to China and 179,000 corn sale to an unknown destination. Could it end up being Mexico? But no matter what, it's taking some supplies off the world market, and I think you're going to see supplies continue to shrink, and that's the reason why we've expected better pricing opportunities going forward. Now, as soybeans approach long-term resistance, which I would expect to be 9.84 all the way up to $10, that's an area that producers should look at defending. If you need to generate some sales for cash flow purposes at harvest, maybe you don't have enough storage, that's an opportunity to go ahead and I think make some sales going into harvest. But would recommend storing the majority of the corn soybean crops at this point. From what we know, there's going to be some carry and some opportunities. If you have on-farm storage, contact any of our offices. They'd be glad to talk with a marketing strategy for you specific for your farm operation. If you have 7 offices, soon to be 8 offices, kind of let a secret going here at the end of the month. We're acquiring another office, so we'll have 8 offices around the Midwest, and we continue to grow and expand thanks to our dedicated clients and people who, like such as yourself, watching this video to learn about more marketing opportunities. Now, speaking of which, we're going to have a marketing webinar coming up on Tuesday evening. That'll be after the supply and demand report. We'll talk about storage and solutions for the market and some marketing strategies, as well as analyzing what the USDA says. Now, yesterday's cattle rally, really perplexing. A lot of questions about why this market was rallying as hard as it was. We were up nearly limit in live and feeder cattle. There wasn't a real fundamental story there in either market. It was more a case of a rumor that we heard that there was a huge fund unwinding spreads between hogs and cattle, which I guess makes sense given hogs were down sharply and cattle up. That does explain that. But I think the fundamentals overall bearish in the cattle. Weights increased up another 3 pounds. We've got a lot of supplies coming at this market. Exports are strong. That's a great and really the only fundamental that's positive for this cattle market. It'll keep us from falling as low as I think we could possibly go this fall, but I wouldn't be surprised to see October go off around $97 this year. Have a great day. Good luck. Contact us for more information. Brian Hoops, Midwest Markets. Good luck, good trading. Talk to you soon.